waiting up all night, all night. I'm here to tell you something. There ain't another love that is gonna hold you down like mine.
Ayan, nandito na po kami sa aming hotel room. Dito sa may St. Jude Co-op. Co-op! Ang laki po ng kwarto. Hello. We are co-working. Hello everyone and welcome to Mother's Wonderland here at Tayabas, Quezon. So ang event po natin ngayon is Freelancers Wonderland 2025. At yes, nandito tayo sa pinakamagandang lugar ngayon dito sa Quezon, which is the Mother's Wonderland. Come follow me! Ayan, here po tayo sa Alhambra Hall for our Freelancers Wonderland 2025 event. Ayan, and say hello to our Organic Rob, Executive Virtual Assistant Philippines, ayan, EVA Philippines, and Strivo. And ang aking mga frenny, Rowena Creates, Ali Creates, and Ambo Virtuals.
Ambo Creates din ako.
And here we are at... Halika, tulungan mo ako magbukas. Ayan, Freelancers Wonderland. Say hello to Freelancers Wonderland. Ayan, ito po ang Alhambra Hall and kami po ni Ambo ay magsasalita mamaya. Ako po, I will talk about how to be a strategic partner, and si Ambo, anong topic mo?
So my topic is resourceful creativity, so the importance of showing up and creating opportunities for yourself.
May buong title na sinabi. Ayun lang po, we'll see you later during our talk.
this is me, Ariel, representative organic crop, 100% natural rub. So ano nga ba tong ating mga tinitinda? Lapit ka dito. Come here. Lapit ka sa akin. Ayan. So what we're selling is a 100% rub na nagmamanage ng ating pain, nausea, headache, cramps, and of course, massaging agent and mosquito bites. Sa ating mga freelancer, syempre mahalaga yung pag nai-stress tayo, kailangan natin ng something soothing, something relaxing na magagamit natin. So ano nga bang marirecommend ko? Walang iba kundi ang Organic Rub, 100% natural ingredients, 100% homemade. At dahil mahal na mahal namin ang ecosystem, wala kaming sinaktan na ecosystem dito. Dahil nga, natural, hindi chemical. Ganyan po tayo. So guys, don't panic. It's organic. Bumili na po kayo ng aming Organic Rub. 80 pesos lang po ang ating roll-on. And then for our small rub, 80 pesos lang din po. Oh my God, naglalast to for 1 year. As in, ang bango guys. Kung naaamoy nyo lang through screen, sabi ko sa iyo, very, very relaxing. Yung mga panahon na mga tiyatrangkaso kayo, tayo, perfect na perfect talaga to. Roll lang ng ganyan, amoy-amoy, and then, nakakahinhawa talaga. I love it. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Rub! Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang organic rub ito. Parang organic rub ito. Organic rub.
Hazel.
Leobert po.
Oh, sorry? Leobert. Thank you so. Sana marami kayong natutunan. From Quezon. Uy, sana marami kayong natututunan sa akin, ha? Thank you so much. Apply kayo kung gusto nyo maging VA, ha? Dun sa Strivo. Mia, nice to meet you. Oh my God, talaga? Totoo ba? Hello. Alam ba? Yes, sige.
Message sa po lang upskill ka galing.
Talaga ba? Ang saya naman nun!
Upskill ko sa inyo kay Mami MK.
Talaga, yes! I'm very happy, proud sa'yo yung client mo, ha? Talagang Pinoy pride!
Natutunan ko dito galing, kaya I want to bring him here.
Perfect! Hi! Hello, nice to meet you. Welcome
Sorry,
to the
you're
Philippines.
Christina?
Mia.
Mia, okay.
Yes. Welcome to the Philippines.
You're very good speaking.
Oh, thank you so much.
So good.
Thank
You have a lot of energy when you speak.
Thank you so much. That you're very happy with her work.
She's the best.
Very, very Pinoy pride, Filipino pride.
It's been such a cool experience having Monique in my life and having Monique in the business. It's really, really awesome.
That's amazing. I'm just really proud of my fellow Filipinos whenever I hear people like you having really good relationships.
I remember saying that most of my upskills that I have learned recently, I learned it from her.
Really?
Aww. Thank you.
Mary.
Yeah.
Most of those are from them.
Yeah. I thank you then.
Thank you.
She's getting a lot better. Keep doing whatever you're doing, keep doing.
Very good. Amazing. Very proud.
Thank you very much
Yes.
for all your contents. I have been learning a lot.
Thank you.
Like that.